sink, there's the sea. Then once you come here, there are the chairs, just a place so that you can sit. Then there's this big door or window. So after that, okay, we come to the room. Let me close the door because of monkeys. So here, this is my tripod. I take my pictures, and yeah, from here you find the phone, and here just the switch, this side table. Then this is the net, the mosquito net. Then just a painting. Then this is the bed. So the bed looks like. So this is the bed. I'm just from waking up, took a shower. Then these are my clothes, the clothes that I'm wearing today. Then on this side you just find a table. This was my welcome package. It had fruits. It had 2 apples, grapes, and the bananas. And this is again the tripod, and that is the seat where you can just sit and chill. And there is the painting. This is the camera bag. And when we come here, this is the TV, and I don't even watch it, so there's a lot to do other than the TV. Down here, once I open here, this is the fridge. It's a mini fridge. Inside it just has these things stocked, so once you eat, they're put in your tub. On this side we have the cup and the kettle and everything. Okay, when you come to this side, Aki, please don't mind the mess. I've just been leaving. Hi, I've just like been leaving without form. Anyway, this is just a table. Yeah, this is the desk where you can sit and do your things. And also this is just a book of services they offer. This side is another side table. Yeah, with my phone and everything. We have the dustbin there. Oh, this side is a mess, my clothes. Hello. Yeah, the full mirror. Then this is the door. Once you come in, like, this is where you keep your key card. Insert your card so that the lights can switch on. Then the wardrobe, you can see. So yeah. Yeah, so if I was a millionaire, I would have used this safe, but we're praying that the next time I come here, that is what we are going to, we'll make use of that. Anyway, this is the bathroom. The bathroom has a lot. So when we come here, this is your makeup mirror, and this is the hair dryer. Then my toothpaste, water. Hello. Once again, the sink. These are my products here, and these are the, things to use. Sarova, they like really changed their whole look when it comes to these things. And this is the lotion and whatever, the hand soap. They also changed this. They used to have tiny bottles. I think they just realized people take them, so this is permanent. You can't even remove them. Here, see the toilet. That's the bidet. And here is the bathroom. So everything, the towel, the soap, the shampoo there, and yeah, so that's just it. But anyway, guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and see you on my next video. Bye.